Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make money on YouTube using stock footage. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Here's a quick look at how to use stock footage to make money on YouTube. If you've ever wanted to try to make money on YouTube, but didn't want to make your own videos, here's a way to do it. The first one is the Creative Commons. Creators can mark their videos as Creative Commons on YouTube. This is the standard way to let other people use your work. The video's creator still owns the right to it, but other people can use it as long as they follow the terms of the license. A Creative Commons license can only be used on 100% original content, and the video can't be marked as Creative Commons if it has a content ID claim on it. If you put a Creative Commons license on one of your videos, you let everyone on YouTube use and change your work. You can get a Creative Commons license for any video you make that is 100% your own, any video with a CC BY license, or any video that is in the public domain. How can you get paid on YouTube? The people who watch your videos don't actually pay you. Instead, you get paid when someone watches or clicks on an ad in your video. The pay varies, but you can expect to make around $18 per 1,000 clicks and views on average. If you are lucky enough to make content that millions of people want to see, you could make a few $1,000s a month. This is if you keep making content for people who keep coming back. Most of the time, people who make this kind of money do so by making new and original content. Using other people's content to make money is possible, but it will be harder. So the second option is using other people's content. The process is simple, but it can be hard to find good content that no one else is using and figure out how to make money from it. Have you ever thought about how to use stock footage to make money on YouTube? If the person who made the video put a Creative Commons license on it, you can use it to make money for yourself. This can be a way to make a little extra money, but keep in mind that if you want to make a lot of money on YouTube, you will probably need to keep making new, unique content for a large audience that sticks with you. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner-friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.